Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play sound on the iPhone 17 Pro with Find My iPhone. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Find My app. You guys can either find it here or you guys can just go over to app library and then search for it here. But here we have it, as you guys can see. And now let me quickly enable the notifications. Here we need to go over to the devices. Now as you guys can see, this iPhone is right here. Now if we want to play the sound from it, we need to click on it and then scroll down until we see the play sound option. So here, now it's connecting, and here we have the Find My iPhone alert. So now it's vibrating, and now we are getting the sound. So as you guys can see, this is how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.